Perfect. All right, we are live. Good morning. Good morning. We're here, getting ready to trade for the day. Got 5 minutes till open. Yeah, so the market looks pretty good today. I think overall higher time frame I'm short biased, but right now in the morning, like for in the next half hour or so, I think I'm leaning bullish, and I'll explain why. So we've got a nice sell model potentially forming here. We had a sweep on the higher time frame and displacement lower, which is good. We could still go higher, and if the market just continues to go higher, then that's what happens. But I am leaning a little bearish in the higher time frame here. We do got nice generated sell side. You got a 4 hour that we can rebalance to here. So kind of what I'm looking for overall is right now in the morning a move higher to sweep. Some sort of internal liquidity to the buy side, whether that be on ES here or NQ. It's a little different on each asset. But yeah, and actually looking now at where we are, we actually do have an internal SMT here. So this actually does look pretty nice. I'm not even going to lie. I don't want to rush into anything this morning. We've got 10 a.m. news, and these lows are kind of equal. Give me 1 second. I got to open the door here. Take care of the pup. But yeah, I don't know. It looks decent right now. But again, I don't want to rush anything. This is not a bad entry because we do have everything we need for a buy model to one of these highs, right? We've got, our move, we've got our change in the state of delivery, boom. We're kind of pulling back to that change in the state area right now, which is also probably around equilibrium. So I kind of want to see how this holds here. I honestly wouldn't want to see too much lower right now for the morning. If we do, then we do. And that just kind of just is what happens. But yeah, I don't know. I'm confident in a move at least up to internal liquidity, depending on whether it be these highs or this high. It's all different. ES has already taken this high, so there is technically an SMT in here, but I don't have it marked because I'm hoping we create another one or just sweep the buy side level. So we'll see. We'll see. We do have this internal SMT again, which looks. Oh no, we don't. Never mind. just got ran, which was fine. But yeah, I'm just gonna be patient this morning. Kind of let the market just do what it needs to do first. If we sell, we sell. If we buy, we buy. It's like right now we're running through this 15, so we've got 90 seconds till open. So right now we are looking like we could just continue, but we'll see. We will see. But yeah, I'm going to check out the higher time frames here just to see what we're working with. To me, this looks pretty nice, right? We've got, on the higher time frame, we've got a sweep move. And a little internally here, I'm hoping for a sweep move as we can get a fractal model that just continue lower. So we'll see. We'll see. I don't want to get too married to that bias. But it looks good. Again, we're just going to wait for the market to make it clear, show us what we're looking for this morning. Again, there's no reason to rush any trades. That's stupid. That's a gambling mentality. We ain't gambling out here. We're trading at a high level, so. You all right, girl? Good? Okay. All right. So, yeah. Oh, there goes trading view. Hold on. Okay. Perfect. Got 30 seconds still open here. What are you barking at? Dude, the market's about to open. What's up? Waits till the market opens to start going crazy. What's up? Can you not right now? Chill. Okay. Come here. Here, I'll pet you. Come here. Okay. All right, whatever. Yeah, all right. Market's going to open here in 10 seconds. So we will see what we can get. What? Why? You need to stop barking. You want to go back outside? You can go play out there for a little bit if you want. All right, market open. Move higher. Yep. Kind of what I was expecting. Quick move higher, so we'll see if that's just a wick or not. You want to go? You want to go outside? Come on. We'll be all right. Sorry. I am dog sitting right now, so I gotta prioritize that. That's what I'm here to do, but I'm also trading, so. So we'll see. We will see what happens. So we are respecting bearish order flow right now. Dude, she's gonna just bother us the whole time, I think. Looking a little weak here. Looking like we might sell it off. Sell side level is 755, 756 area, so we will we'll see if that gets targeted. But so if we do sweep this low now, I would kind of be curious to see the reaction here. Let me mark this on ES as well. Hold on. Okay. Let me mark this out. I would be interested in seeing the reaction here if we do take this low first, but obviously we need to see that. ES is starting to move higher. NQ still kind of just holding here. We'll see what happens though. 30-minute fair value. No, we don't. Okay. All right, I gotta let this dog in. What's up? Please don't bark. Please don't bark the whole time. Let me check. Let me check stream here. We're doing all right. Oh yeah, we're fine. Okay, cool. What? Can I trade for a little bit, girl? It's not going to be that long. I promise I won't be here all day. I just want to trade for a little bit. And then I'll take you on a walk or something. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Hi, girl. Hi. Yeah, so we're looking a little discorrelated here. We're kind of just deciding what I think we're just deciding what we want to do. Again, we've got 25 more minutes till news, so there's really no point to rush anything here in the morning. I think it is red folder new. I want to say it's job openings or jolts or something like that. So that's usually tends to be pretty high impact, and so we'll see what happens. But looking like NQ just wants to sell off here, and ES might be coming with it. ES is holding a little bit more bullish, but it's looking like that's what we want to do here. So I guess we'll just see. But what, girl? What? What? I don't know what you want. I don't know what you want from me, girl. I really don't know what you want from me. I'm gonna trade for a little bit, girl. We can play later. I'll play with you right after this. I promise. I promise I'll play with you right after this. Just give me like a little bit. She's a puppy. She's got energy, which I would too. So I get it. But time for work and a time for play. Come here. Come here. Hey, just relax for a little bit. All right, looks like we're about to sweep below. We'll see. Finish the move, NQ. Give us the SMT here. We'll probably put in the SMT. And then I would be interested to see if we reverse or if we just continue to sell off here and correlate a little more. But equal lows right now. Excuse me. Allergies starting to come back, man. The season weather change, dude. It's like sucks. What? What? You're right here. Come on. Just relax. Just relax. You're okay. You're okay. Yeah, dude, I don't even know. It's crazy. Oh, it's a good morning, though. I'll tell you that much. Beautiful morning outside. Hi. Oh, dude. See what we're working with on some of these time frames here. Okay. All right. Hi. Hi, girl. Sit. You sit. You sit. You sit. Good girl. Good girl. Hey. Yeah, I guess we'll just wait for NQ to make the move here, or I guess we could have relative equal lows. I don't think we will, but I guess we could. What's up? What? I think she just wants to play. I think she just wants to play. You've been to the potty, girl. You're good. You're good. I know you want to play. I want to play with you too, but I want to work here for a little bit. This is the only time of day I get to do this. Come here. Come here. Come. Hi. All right, so we did put in that SMT, and I'm now curious to see your reaction. Come here. Come here. Here. Ooh, I have an idea. I have an idea. Want some of these? Want some of these? We'll see if we can get you another thing. See if this works. Here, come here. Come here. All right, ready? All right. All right. I gave her a toy. Hopefully that'll help. I promise I will play with her after this. I'm not neglecting her. I promise I will. But, all right. Looking like we're still weak here. Selling through as of now. Let's see if we get any reversal pattern. Oh, here she comes. It didn't work. Not really anything going on here. So I'm trying to figure out if we were to sell, what would that? So 2 to 2.5s here. 4 would be in between our sell side in the higher time frame fair value gap. So I don't know. So that's only another 30 points. I don't know. Dude. Oh, this is the 15 minute. Oops. What? What, dude? You're fine. You are okay. This is a very internal model, but I don't think I'm not gonna trade off this, but I'm just wanting to watch it. What? Come here. Come here. Girl, I need you to not bother me for just a little bit. Just a little bit. And I promise I will hang out with you the rest of the day. I know you don't know what that means. That means nothing to you, but chill, dude. Come. Well, maybe if I just don't say anything, I don't know. It probably won't make it worse. Try that strategy. Looking weak here. Oh my god. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I wouldn't trade off of this, but I'm just kind of curious to see how if it'll play, if anything will affect this here. I think it's way too internal, but you never know. ES is definitely more bullish, but I wouldn't mind starting to see some correlation. It's got a weird bark. It's interesting. So she's dry heaving. She's not. She's literally just barking. No change yet. Gonna see displacement for a change in the state. We need to see a displacement through. Okay, that could be a change, depending on if we wick or not. So that's a change in the state, unless we just sell off, which we might. You gotta chill out, please. Yeah, so you could take this could be a forever model. SMT, change in the state, about to run this fair value gap. Looks like ES already did run it. So you could take that. I don't think I'm going to. Although it does look good. I don't know. We'll see. Hey, please stop. Come. Just come sit right here. Just come sit right here. Sit. 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 Good. Good girl. Hey. Just relax. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, yeah, this does look, I think this looks pretty good. If we could maybe create a fair value gap and rebalance, that would be nice to take a long. Just targeting, I mean, probably here for now. But I do like this, though. I think this is a good model. I think it fits the bias, what we want to see. We've got this SMT. I think we do want to go higher to, manipulate internally before we go lower. So, yeah, I do like this. I think this is a good trade. I would be okay taking this if we had more of a shot. Now we're getting clear displacement, as you guys can see. There's no longer, we've got correlation in the markets. There's no longer question about, oh, do we want to go higher or lower, right? So we'll see. There is now an SMT here at these highs. ES is just, well, actually not yet. It's about to have an SMT. So we'll see. Maybe that can get us an opportunity to retrace and pull back. I think if we did get an SMT, it would just be a pullback. SMT would not be a reversal. I think what we want is the internal liquidity here for the higher time frame model. Just models inside of models, man. Just recognizing that. So we do have a 1 minute fair value gap here. Let's see if we tap back into it or not. Let me also, just for the heck of it. So it's all the way down there. Never mind. See if we get any rebalance here. I do like this. I do think we are long bias here. This looks pretty good. Little internal change, you know, displacement, create a fair value gap, pull back, long, dude. I like it. And it's so interesting. If you look at my stats, I don't know if this is a mental thing or what this is, but I'm a short trader. I trade so much better on short models than long models. I don't understand why. I don't know if it's a mental thing or if it's maybe a way I see the market in my own brain or what, but I do much better with short models. I wish I could explain that. You know, I'm sure there's some sort of mental shift or something that's causing that. All right, I might try long here. I don't know. That rejected pretty nicely. It's moving pretty efficient right now. I don't know. These ones are hard, man. These entries are hard, dude. I'd say longs are not bad here to take. Not at all. Whether I catch one or not, I would say that it looks good for longs right now. We did tap. We have everything we need. So if we wanted to run, I mean, I might have just missed my opportunity there just by not being aggressive enough, which sucks if that's the case. But I'm hoping we can maybe get one more push lower, just one. That's all I need to see. Come here. Come. Good girl. Let's see. So ES is pushing a little bit lower, which is kind of what I'd like to see. Is there something up there you keep looking at? Oh. She's looking at something up there. You have like a tool over here or something? No. I don't know what you want, girl. I don't know what you want. I do want to watch this at the same time, though, so. I don't know what you want, girl. I'm sorry. I didn't know what you want. All right. So we are in the 1 minute again. A little lower. Perfect push. Stop. Come here. All right. Equilibrium. OTE. I don't want to see us really go much lower if we are long side here. If not, we don't take the long. There's no long present here if we just continue to sell. But if we not get a nice wick here, then I would be pretty interested in longs. So we will see. We've got 10 minutes till news. Wicking pretty nice. I think I'm going to try longs. 8. Okay, that's a pretty rough stop. Ooh. Okay, let's try putting my stop like right there. I trade short a lot more than I trade long, so I've got to get used to long side trade. 760. Where was my 778? Let's go like right here. Let's see a move if we get one. If not, you know, what can you do? You know, but I'm okay trying this. I think that the model looks good. If not, well, wait. we'll wait, and I'm not rushing to take another trade here, but I would like to try it out. Looks like we are going to continue selling, though. So that kind of sucks. Looking like we might get stopped here. We'll see, though. Would love to see a nice wick higher. Nice rejection wick, and just go higher. But this is the change in the state, so this is kind of where we want to see the market continue higher if we are bullish. Otherwise, no. But stop, girl. Please stop. Come here. All right, stopped out there. Not going to try. That was a little bit looser of a stop, so I don't really want to push it here. What is she going crazy about all of a sudden? Let's turn these off for 1 second. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I still like it. I still do like it, but I'm not gonna try to rush a re-entry. I might just wait till news here. This could also be the manipulation leg if we are, or we're gonna continue lower. This could just be the pullback. We did get an SMT here. Probably could mark this out. We did get an SMT here, so this could also just be manipulation to go lower. So we might have been on the wrong side there, and you know that happens. You can't really be afraid of that. But oh shoot, I don't want to leave the page now. Dude, I don't want to leave the page. I don't want to leave the page. Okay, bro. I forget you can't swipe left on the button. I can swipe right, but I cannot swipe left. Oh, hello. Okay. So yeah, we could just be going lower here. I don't know. There's a number of things that could happen, but I guess we'll see. I do like that model though. I think it's nice, but obviously if there is an SMT and right here, then there is that you're running the risk of. So yeah, unfortunate, but I think the model was somewhat present and we had strength. So yeah. I'd be curious to see if we are just kind of to watch a little longer and see what the overarching bias is, if we are actually bullish or if we are going to continue just to dump here and we're waiting for news. I don't know. It seems like we're kind of accumulating here. We've had some manipulation. So I would think a move higher would, I don't know. Again, the market can do whatever it freaking wants. Doesn't have to listen to me. And I think, this still looks bullish on a 15, Obviously, NQ doesn't look as bullish, but we're still holding this imbalance here. ES is still holding. So, it still looks good. I'm not, But we could get one more move lower here, and this could be the new manipulation leg. So that wouldn't be the worst thing. I think that was like a $300. Yeah, maybe a little lower, 300. All right, so we've got one more push lower. Let's see if we're going to continue to just dump here, in which case we were on the wrong side of the market, which, fair enough. Otherwise, we will see what happens. But I'm going to mark this manipulation out. I just want to see where SD might line up. Oh, so SD lines up with just a little further on internal buy side. So if we do continue to reject, and this doesn't mean anything. If we continue to sell, this won't mean anything. But if we do get a start of a move higher, then it's just a potential target. But it's looking like we're just going to continue here, and we're looking pretty weak. ES is going to sweep this, so the SMT will probably get ran here. Yeah. We will see. Looking pretty weak right now. And yeah, I think we could have just been on the wrong side of the market there. The pullback, the equilibrium pullback to go short was what I was trying to long, so I just you know, just on the wrong side of the market. And that happens. That's kind of part of the game, you know. Yeah, and it still could go higher, or we could sell, looking like we're going to sell, but you never know. And we'll watch, and if we get another opportunity, we'll take it. And if we don't, then I'm down on a small loss today, and that's okay. I'll come back tomorrow. Try again tomorrow. But man. Yeah. Allergies, man. What the heck? I'm sneezing up this like nasty. Ugh. I don't even know, bro. It's crazy. All right, well, I wonder if this is just another wick or if this is us going to go higher. I guess we'll see. I am going to be a little more hesitant to take it now, though. So if this was actually the long play, it would be frustrating. But it is 9:57 Eastern, so we are only 3 minutes away from news. And it's high impact. And so the best thing to do is wait for that and see if that gives us any extra clarity or direction as to where we might want to draw towards. And it would really stink if it was one of those things where it just wicked to our target or something, which it happens a lot. So it could very well happen. So, I don't know. Let's wait it out. We got 2 minutes here till news. So, we will see. We will see. Have any? Oh, crap. Well, we're moving higher now. Yeah, I think my entry was maybe a little too early. Probably needed to wait for one more move lower. So now we've got that standard deviation leg to take us to 2.5. 4 is external buy side. 4 is all-time highs. So I'm not saying this is going to run all the way to 4. It probably won't. But internally, 2 to 2.5 could absolutely do that. But, uh-oh. Keep forgetting I can't do that. But all right. 90 seconds till news. What, girl? You were like just chilling for like 5 minutes. That was perfect. Just continue to chill. I ain't gonna be on that much longer, right? It's okay. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come. Hey. Come here. Okay. All right. And now you bark as soon as I turn my head. It's crazy. Less than a minute till news. I don't know what you want. You keep looking in this direction. There's nothing over there. There's nothing over there. All right. So, again, looking like we're going to push higher. I think I might have just gotten wicked there, honestly. A little early. That is something I've noticed, that some of my entries are a little early. And we wait for the stop run. And then, of course, it goes in my favor. And I've been able to catch them recently, so I guess we'll see. I'm not saying I'm going to try to force this again, but 15 seconds till news, so we'll see what happens. I'm hoping it doesn't just run. It probably will. I mean, let's be real. Come here. Come. Mina, come here. Come here. All right, news. Let's see what happens. Dude, I would be so fun. It'd be hilarious if nothing happened. Like, yeah. Okay, here we go. Yep. Here we go. All right. ES is back up. So once ES takes this, there's really going to be not really much opportunity here. So it's just kind of waiting. And it's looking like ES is going to take it. I could take a long. I don't think I'm going to. I could. I really wish I... dang, That's unfortunate. You know, what can you do, man? It's part of the game. We do have another SMT, literally another SMT, though, on the bear side here. We've got a bunch of them, really. And we've taken this one, too. So yeah, we've got some manipulation going on here. Yeah, in my eyes, it just makes sense. And a lot of the times that's how it becomes when you've been doing this for a while. It just makes sense for the market to draw higher first before going lower. That's kind of a principle, too. Like, for you to go higher in the market, you've got to go lower first. And for you to go lower in the market, you've got to move higher first, right? And so I think it just makes sense. And again, just because it looks good to me doesn't mean it's going to happen. But that's how you base your edge on your strategy. Come here. Come. Mina, come here. Come here. Or just stare at me. She's just, yeah, she needs attention. She needs attention. Come here. I already gave you food. Why are you looking at your food bowl? You've eaten breakfast this morning. You're chilling. You are more than chilling, girl. All right. I'm just going to ignore her again. She's fine. Okay. It's looking like we're going to get a move, but I don't know, man. I think it's going to be an SMT type play. I could long here. I don't really want to make it a bigger losing day, but I am confident that we go. ES looks more bullish. NQ is not really as bullish, so I don't know. Not really too sure, but it's looking like we're gonna go. I don't know. I'm debating right now. It's like, all right, could I take this and probably win? Like, yeah, but if I lose, would I be pissed that I took this? And it was like, yeah, maybe, maybe. So it's kind of, I don't know. It's kind of a hard decision. I mean, we're gonna go. I mean, it's looking like we're gonna get there. So it's kind of a hard decision to make. It's looking like we're gonna get it though. So I think I might try it if we can get a pullback. I might try it, but I'm not gonna just try at the top here. I'd wait for a pullback, which we might not get. So it just kind of depends on if we get it or not. But ES looks a lot more clean than NQ for the model, so that's what I would be wanting to see here. And we have a 5-minute. This will probably open, I guess. So I don't know if do we have one? No, we don't have one on NQ. So, dude, you're fine, girl. You are fine. You are all right. This has been like trading and dog sitting. I promise I'm going to go play with her right after this is over. We're going to go outside and throw a ball, but obviously I got to work. I got to work too. I got to make money, right? I got to try or lose money. But I got to try, So I got to do this. Time for work and time for play. Oh my gosh, I did it again. So I don't really like trading on my laptop, man. It's not the worst thing, but sometimes I can't even swipe left. On my computer, I can swipe left all day with my fingers, but I can't swipe left here. Oh, so we actually do have a 5-minute bearish here. I wonder if that's what's been holding us. I didn't really see that. This looks bullish though, man. It looks bullish. I'm just saying. It looks bullish. Dude, it looks good. Like I honestly want to take it again. It still looks good, but if we sell lows, then sell again here, then it's just like, all right. But I feel like we should wick this, and if we don't, we don't. But it looks nice. I wish we had an imbalance here on NQ to go off of. What do we do with this one? We could go off this 2 in this 3 minute here. And NQ's still holding this one. I don't know. I might try it again, dude. I might try it again, bro. Let me just mark this out quick. I mean, the 15 looks bullish, dude. Well, looks like we're trying to decide. I mean, there's definitely, obviously it's downside, but we've got these nice wicks. But we are starting to sell again, so at that point, this is just like kind of inefficient. Just getting back and forth moves. Oh man. Oh, see, she's selling quick. She's selling quickly. And that could be just today's conditions. And so that, you know, what does that mean for my model here? I mean, it means this could play out normally, or, you know, it doesn't mean the model's broken or the model doesn't work. It just means the conditions maybe were not right. And that's the important part, is recognizing when the conditions are in your favor and when it's like not high probable, you know. And so that's the important part. But let's see where this is at. Okay. We could still wick that. Okay. Let's see, man. Let's see. Now you want to go? Do you want to go back outside now? Okay. Okay. Oh, she saw a squirrel. She saw a squirrel. She'll be right back at the door in a minute. I bet. Testing my like multi-awareness right now of trading and doing something else at the same time. She's testing me this morning. It's probably a good thing. Oh my gosh, I did it again. I literally clicked 5 minute. I clicked 5 minute for the 5 minute chart and it did that. It did not save my imbalance, did it? That's okay. Oh. Chart's getting sketchy. Yeah, the more you just go back and forth, it's like the sketchier this gets. It's like we've had news now, dude. Like, we should be getting some sort of move somewhere, but we're just going back and forth now. So there's really not a lot of clarity yet. There's still really not clarity. I was hoping that news might have, you know, and yeah, I don't know. I mean, let's go on a higher time frame and just like look, like that's nasty, dude. That's nasty, man. Like, come on. Yeah, that's tough. Like that right there is nasty, bro. Come on, that's ugly. So, yeah, it could just be 12-minute chart. It could just be that today. It could just be conditions, which is fine. I'm okay with a small loss on that, you know. Right now I'm leaning towards I probably will not be taking another trade the rest of the market. I probably won't stay on that much longer. Just for the dog, one, and two, it's just the longer I sit here, the more clarity I'm getting as to we haven't really decided what we want to do yet for a move. So, and we've had so many fake outs too, which is like, if we're just swinging back and forth, like what? Come on. And now we're moving lower again, so it's like, okay. Continuing that chop. It's like when we're bullish, we look really bullish, and when we're bearish, we look really bearish. And so it's like, and there's correlation right now. It's both assets are doing this. It's not like NQ's selling and ES is holding. It's like, no, we're buying and selling together. So it's just inefficient market. And that's the thing, is inefficiency right now. There's no efficiency. We're not moving. We're just side by side. There's nothing here to take, you know. And obviously looking back at this point, it's like right here, this looks good right here. Like, this is what we want to see. Pull back. Hold on, girl. Pull back right here. Like, this is nice. We don't have this SMT yet, but like, this is nice. This is exactly what I want to see. especially with internal buy side, everything. Like that's a good model. So I'm okay. I'm completely okay with taking that. I'm like not upset about that at all. Conditions just right now, at least they could clean up here in the morning, but right now they're just not it, and that's part of the game. That is part of the game, and that's all right. But what matters is when your edge is present, you take the model, and I took that. So, dude, I'm almost done, I promise. Just a little longer. Okay? I'm almost done. Then I will play with you all you want and give you all the attention you deserve. My bad. Chill. Okay. You're fine, girl. Starting to sell again pretty heavily here. What's the 4 hour? Yeah, we're pretty weak on the 4 hour. That's why I was hoping like we could get a move here and then a wick to continue the weakness, but it's looking like we might just freaking send it to sell side. Lucky, might just send it to sell side. But hey, relax. You gotta relax, man. It ain't that deep. I promise. It's not that deep. It ain't that deep, bro. So this is now interesting. So this would be our higher time frame, change the state lower. I am gonna mark this out. Not as this is what's happening, but if it's here, this is where it would be. So if we do continue lower, here's our change. Well, you could even actually on the 30 minute, it's actually up here. On the 15, this is really where it would be. Where would the hourly be? Hourly would be right here. So we've technically, I mean, yeah, we're looking weak. I mean, if we continue to sell, then we're going to have that change in the state. But if we continue to just mess around in this range, then obviously we're not going to get it. I have a joke. If I mark change in the state, it never happens. If I mark the change in the state, like, it always wicks. It never displaces. Only when I mark it, I promise. Only when I mark it. Maybe I shouldn't mark it anymore. But as soon as I mark it, it always reverses, bro. Come here. Dude, I took her on a walk this morning. I promise. I did. We went on like a 30-minute walk. I thought she was going to be good to go. But she's a puppy. She probably got all that puppy energy. So I have to go play outside a little bit after this. I'll play outside with her before I journal. She's been patient. Not really, but I gotta play with her a little bit. No, there's nothing up there. You're crying. You've been looking up there all morning. There's nothing up there for you. I don't know. There's nothing in the cabinets. I already looked, girl. There's nothing up there for you. I see what you're looking at. It's a squash. You're looking at a squash. I don't think maybe dogs do like squash. I don't know. I don't know, bro. Hey, we'll play in a minute, all right? I'll probably be done here in the next 5 or 10 minutes, girl, and then we'll play. I promise. I just stop barking, please. There's nothing there. There's nothing up there. She's staring at me like, you see that? You see that? What I'm looking at? I'm like, there's nothing there. Unless there's something hidden that I ain't looking at. There's nothing there, dude. I opened the cabinets too. There's no bones, no toys. I don't know what she's looking at. She's trying to jump up there right now. Girl, there's nothing up there. You smell something? Like, do you smell like a mouse or something? Like, what? There's nothing there. There's nothing there, girl. Yeah. Continued chop, man. Not selling, not even buying. We're just sideways right now. So, yeah, I probably will be out of here in the next 5 minutes just so I can go take care of her one. And just let the market do what it's got to do. Sometimes you just got to wait for the market to get through this chop and pick a direction. Or sometimes we're just generating liquidity. Like right now, we could be generating sell side here and buy side here and here on ES. And that is one of the reasons that markets move. Markets have to generate liquidity in order to take liquidity. So sometimes you got to sit through that. And that's it's part of the game. I'm not in a hurry. I'm totally okay with this. I'm not in a rush to try to make back my loss. It's like over time, my model will present itself again, and I will make way more than I just lost. So it's like I'm chilling, bro. Like we're big chilling, man. I had my biggest day on Friday. Today's Tuesday. I had my biggest day on Friday of the year. What? 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 What do you want? I see you up there. I see you looking up there. There is nothing there, girl. Okay, so now we're moving higher again. So it's just like, bro. Ran this fair value gap. This is crazy. So let's see if we get a move. Let's see if we actually get something. I can't even swipe right. What? What? Come here. Come here. Mina, come here. Come here. Good girl. Sit. Good. Stay. Just relax. For a couple more minutes. I'm almost done. I promise I'm almost done. Sit. Thank you. I know you're full of energy. I know. Just gotta let me finish. Yeah, dude. There's nothing going on here, man. Not a lot happening. Dude, you're nasty. You're getting like slobber all over the place, man. Chill. Chill, man. Chill, bro. Yeah, this is just like bang, bang. It's like we're seeking and destroying. We're just like taking the highs and lows and just expanding little by little. It's like S&D on the New York Open, bro. I wonder if that's a model. Seek and destroy New York Open. I actually never checked the sessions. Let me check the sessions, actually. Okay, so we took London low. So that's probably why we're just chilling, man. Like we already took London. Asian highs are still intact. So yeah, we took London already. Where is... Oh, that's me. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. You see these candles here, and it's just like, that sucks. And if I were to open my Discord right now and show you guys, everyone would be like, this PA sucks. Everyone's like, oh, this is trash. So, really, is there any trade? In hindsight, no. Obviously, hindsight is the best. But when we're here, I do like this model. Pull back. we had a really nice first candle rejection on ES and NQ. A lot of the times that plays. A lot of the times that will play out. Sell side was taken, internal sell side was taken, SMT, boom, displacement, change in state in the 1 minute, pullback, fair value gap ran. A plus. Everything we want to see is there. With liquidity higher, a reason for the market to go higher, everything was there. Bias spot on. Sometimes it doesn't happen. And I still think we will get a move higher before we displace lower. Before we move all the way down here, I do expect us to at least come up to this buy side level. And the reason for that, again, is for the markets to move lower, we need to move higher. We need to take liquidity, right? The market moves on liquidity. So if there's no liquidity in the market, which right now it's clearly lacking, we're just going to go sideways, right? Orders need to be bought and sold. There needs to be room for these orders for big institutions to move to the market, move their positions, right? And so what a lot of the times they do is a lot of traders who have been short are going to set their stop losses at these highs here. So what the big institutions will do will move the markets up to here, hunt all of these traders out, stop all these traders out, take this high. Now we're going lower because they're entering their positions, creating more liquidity for the market to move, right? So the market moves. It's all liquidity, man. It's all liquidity based. That is how I learned to trade the markets, and it's really opened my eyes. Is more than support and resistance, supply and demand. Like, granted, yeah, that stuff works, but for me, this is what opened my eyes into trading and seeing how the markets really operate and move. And it's all liquidity, man. It's all market liquidity. So yeah, I really am confident in a draw higher here. And ES is a lot closer than NQ to taking this. So my guess is what happens is ES we will run these highs, probably put in some sort of SMT, and then continue lower. Whether that be later today, later this morning, in PM, whenever, or even tomorrow. We could just sit here the rest of the day. But I do expect ES or NQ, one of them, to take these highs here, some sort of internal liquidity, and then I would expect a move lower. So we'll see. This actually, I want to check this out too, just to see. Okay, so it's OTE, yeah. So this buy side, this fair value gap here, which I think is a 1 hour, right? Yeah, it's a 1 hour. So this 1 hour is an OTE of the previous range. So that's exactly what we want to see too. That's where we want to see our pullbacks come into OTE. And again, looking at the hourly, like, we had a really nice rejection. Consequent encroachment is holding off of this. It looks good. Yeah, all right. Like, the model looks good. Hold on. Let me mark this out too. Consequent encroachment's holding to a T, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Look how well that wicked. So it's like, yeah, I really do expect us to move higher. And I think we will. But again, the conditions will not always align for that to work out. But, all right, I've explained myself enough. I think I'm going to hop off for the morning. Again, we're not really doing anything right now. I got to go take care of this crazy dog who's been barking all morning. Sorry. Anybody watch this? I don't think anybody will, but if anybody does, I'm sorry. I promise we're gonna go outside like right now. But yeah, have a good rest of your days. Tough morning, small loss. It is what it is. It happens. I'm not really too concerned about it, too upset with it. I think, again, a lot of the times I think it's gonna play out in our favor. But yeah, we will see you guys in the next stream.